Hey everyone, this is Melo Munchkin by Nursery Erwina. Let's teach our kids to be responsible and do the daily routine by picking up the toys and books.
Toys on the floor and blocks in a heap. Dolls taking naps instead of sleep. But here comes a band, hooray, hooray. It's time for the cleanup parade today. Fight march! March, march, march into the bin. Let the cleanup fun begin. Tap, tap, go the shoes. We clean up with happy moves. The cars roll in, zoom, zoom with pride. Stacked in rows all side by side. The teddy bears spin and do a dance, then hop into their box by chance. Picking up! March, march, march into the bin. Let the cleanup fun begin. Stack those blocks and find each part. We tidy up with joyful hearts. Crayons wiggle back in line. Books go back, looking fine. Little hands and helping friends know that cleaning never ends. Drums go boom and brushes swish. Let's grant this room a tidy wish. One by one and two by two, we're the cleanup crew, me and you. March, march, march into the bin. Let the cleanup fun begin. Clap your hands, give a cheer. The room is clean, the end is near. Now the room is neat and bright, tucked in cozy for the night. Thanks cleanup crew, you saved the day with music, teamwork,